The last surplus recovery course you will ever need, 2024. Embark on a transformative 60-day mentorship course that unlocks the secrets to consistent yearly six-figure earnings in the lucrative world of surplus and excess proceeds recovery. Discover the proven strategies used by quality recovery experts to close high-profit deals and build a thriving, sustainable business. Robert Coles takes you on a 60-day surplus recovery mentorship and reveals all successful workflow secrets of quality recovery agency that has banked over $175,000 as of July 2024. Our goal is $500,000 in closed surplus deals before Christmas 2024. With more than 100 successful surplus claims recovered for our clients, we have the knowledge and expertise to assist you in closing your first or next surplus deal in 60 days or less. Quality recovery experts will teach you their winning strategy, how they close one or two highly profitable surplus deals each month. Let's start living and enjoying the American dream together, working 32 hours a week with the experts at Quality Recovery Agency, LLC. Website https://surpluscourses.com. Email info@surpluscourses.com. Telephone 336-447-7638. The course starts on Wednesday, September 4th, from noon till 2 p.m. Save $99 with your early bird registration. Remember, seats are limited. Quality Recovery Agency, LLC. Intellectual property, all rights reserved.